Hello guys, welcome back to Belkis, and I'm sorry I'm a bit sick right now. So, yeah, I'm sorry. Anyways, I did a platinum draw and I got Sanada Yukimura. As you can see right here, he is quite good, like really good. I've wanted it for a long time, but just prayed that I got him through Epic Fest, but I'm thankful that I got him through, platinum draws. That photo was to be sent to my Discord server to let them know that I got him. And yet they had no reactions. They got a reaction out of something though. That is not for the Discord server to eyes only, not for the rest of you people. I'm sorry. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. By the way, I was suppressing that cough for a bit. Yeah, bye.